Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have fashion t-shirt design. These design just for not t-shirt, these for poster, phone case, bags, notebook and poster card. And these files in JPG, PNG and a PS file. JPG is just for view, a hints for how to set it in shirts or card etc. Wow, you see here a anaconda or a snake, and here is snake. You can adjust it. So I drag this file in Adobe Illustrator. These are APS file for Adobe Illustrator user, and drag to Adobe Illustrator. You see here the design. You can change every color or everything. Zoom out. You can change background color or you can remove it, depend your own self. Okay, and here is color brown or kind of like red or black. Okay, wow, brilliant look. You can change any color or zoom it. You can change select path and change color. I mean, you can change it one by one or make your own design. These are RGB color, and you can use it a mobile case cover or back cover like this. Wow, your photo choice, you can put your own photo here for mobile back side or back designs. Wow, Florida. I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe our channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.